Hello, this is Anthony Wisdom. Um, I'm just going to try to get to the point with this. I ran into problems late in the week with some logic issues and some different things that kind of threw me off, in addition to having to travel. So this isn't a presentation. This is just, as you said in the message, just I need to get something in. So what I'm going to attempt to do is just show you what's missing right now, and everything else will be working. So if it's not mentioned, it's in there. The main things that I don't have right now are the push notifications, being able to favorite, list views, and set the push notifications. The code is implemented. I just haven't got it properly working, so it's not functional at this point. I had logic issues that I didn't anticipate until I kind of got in here, in terms of the context of this company. So this app is for an event, but the event can be different games. It could be in many different venues, right? So me setting a template where you fill in this about event, about the venue map, or you fill in this about rules, and it's so a perfect example is here. This right here, execution settings, rounds to win. If this was a different game, these would be completely different, and rounds to win couldn't be hard coded like that, right? So instead of trying to figure out some logic where we can do that all the time, we would need a developer to actually go in there and change the text views and change the different parameters. So to avoid that, we're going to implement these features as images. So, for example, parking information. We have an image on Imager that all you have to do is enter in the URL here. You'll see a preview of it displayed, and it will show it in the app now, right? So all of those sections are working except for the rules section, which I showed you. But you can see here that this image can be popped up. And the reason for this is, like I said, in the context of the company, these things can be ever changing, and they might need to be updated or changed at the venue, at the event, and we have graphic, or the company has graphic designers that can make those adjustments, upload them, and they can be instantly put into the app. Another thing that's not implemented, but that it's just I have to kind of figure out the logic, is this banner ad here should be a sponsor banner ad. So we'll have a set format for the banner ads that we get. There's only one here, but this is a list view that will show several, and 3 to 4 I think is the limit. So we would like to have I will have those images cycling here. So every time you come here, it shows you a different one. That's not implemented as of yet. So the push notifications and actually getting that data in there, the rules, the image is uploaded, it just hasn't been put in yet. And then validation on my forms. For instance, if you enter in, making sure that this is a URL that's entered here versus any other type of text. Simple things like that, loading, or putting my titles here for my different views. But other than that, you're able to enter in all of the data to the back end, and it is all updating to the app. Small things like here, you click, this is going to be clickable, which will take you to the sponsor site. Same with the team section, will be clickable to take you to the team site or to the team social media. As you can see, I'm pulling in team logo images here, so we could easily get these in or change them at any point. Other than that, I'm feeling really good. I just ran into some bumps at the end of the week, which kind of threw me off, and I don't have this thing all the way polished. I believe I'm on the path to getting that done, and I should be good for my beta. But unforeseen things always happen in this industry or in this field, from what I'm learning. So this is Anthony Wisdom. I apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you.